Kakunhuan kinong tray sarkar bla shongthaj kibadan hapo kalama Meghalaya pensiona Asian Chantia unit mentakas ngi ka shitrek bnai nopra kila penkep burami samla wei bahan nong tudu lakyang usamla puli ka North Liberty Higher Secondary School Chawai halar ka chingpoi jung u khmat du hakresol SSLC Atiar puar na preng samla puli harilum Chantia Uni usamla du bawan kerdan third position jo kerdan top 20 ka results SSLC bala penbenar ka MBOSE mentaus nem Ya kecing keburam lale ke sekolah North Liberty hi hak bau new samla udang beteng ya kecing puli hak ni ke sekolah haran kar kecing sekilang ki kena sekolah kino hikai kumta kum gadak ban aimen sim shishu yu new samla baru bakiwe ki kena sekolah kin buat ikan uksa jungu kasenggal IT yu ui ke momento rengkat kasong pisa ke baspo car tengka uba el shilla presiden habakran ulaong bakani kadi kesin ke baar bakasenggal wan yu kechat ban pukku buram ik samla puli hak ni ke sekolah Bolaong makumba kilada ni karai ban pukubura mi kinu kinu bapoi khmat du hakrisal arilom jentia ulapan kan mau ba exam ki blada pru kilawan pukubura ma school Shillong do higher secondary school mokoyau hasokha higher secondary school ba sokuben mamenta kila poi biang hang ni
Meghalaya Pensioner Association July branch certificate of appreciation as a token of appreciation and encouragement to Master Weba Nontu Lakian of North Liberty High Secondary School, July, but passed the secondary living certificate examination 2022, conducted by the Meghalaya Board of School Education, securing the third position. Is awarded the Meghalaya Pension Station Merit Award 2022, carrying a cash prize of ₹10,000 only with certificate. We wish him success in life. Signed, Mr. Elchula, President, Meghalaya Pension Station, July. Signed by Mr. O.C. Lakian, Secretary, Meghalaya Pensioners, July Association. Shall I came call our hands to Mr. Weba Lakian? If you work hard, you will attract us. We will come. Because this award, it is given, we have decided that we will give this award to the best student who scored the highest, the top from Jaintia Hills. The top from Jaintia Hills. Last year, we went down there to Shillong Mail Higher Secondary School, that is at Mokayao. We have awarded one student from that school, and might be I heard that he has joined this school. So, one pator, something like that. So, and previously, we have given the award to a student from Sokha Higher Secondary School, down there in near the border of Bangladesh. So this year we have come here because we are very happy. We are very happy to see that one of the student of this school, Waibaha Nong Tudu Lakiang. Waibaha Nong Tudu Lakiang. He is to receive this award from the association.